Saturday morning. We're heading to upstate New York, but we're going to stop by at the Woodbury Commons outlet on the way to upstate. So come with us and let's see what deals do they have. I'm actually there again to pick up sheets and stuff, but while we're there, I'm going to check out the other shops, of course, and show you what they have. So if there's no traffic, Woodbury Commons is actually only around an hour away from the city. So we are 30 minutes away and we should be there when they're about to open, which is great. It's 10:30 and they're open at 10, but the parking is already full. People are serious, they want to shop. Okay guys, we're here. It's getting packed. We have, I think, 4 hours only. Day sale. We finally went into Gucci because we wanted to go last time, but there was a long line, and today was a long line as well still, but you know, just want to see what they have. So crowded, and Balenciaga was not bad, and then we went to get some sheets at Prada, and then we went to Prada, and that's about it. So I will either like post a haul or separately or in this video. Hello everyone, I just got back from upstate, and if you watch my vlog you know that on the way upstate I stopped by Woodbury for like 3 hours because I wanted to pick up some Labor Day deals. So I have another Woodbury haul for you today. If you like this kind of videos, I upload on my channel weekly. If you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. So let's go with the haul. My main thing to go to Woodbury is basically to go to Prada because I really need more bedding, and I was looking forward to the additional sales that they were having for Labor Day. But also we would like to find winter coats if possible. Honestly, I just love Prada. And if you buy them at the outlet store, the prices are always good because they always have additional discounts. So I got this two standard sham in kind of like a grayish color, and then I got the Wudong white on white Euro sham just to have a backup for my pair that I have. Got a bunch of towels, and then bath mats. Not very interesting, so you don't have to see those. I got another bed set because I think having 3 in rotation is good, so I don't have to keep using the 2 that I have at the moment. I get a different kind of style. This is also percale, but this has embroidery, if you can see that. So it's really cute. It usually comes with 2 shams, but I have 4 pillows that I use. So I also bought a pair of sham that matches. And the last thing I get from Prada is this coverlet, or kind of like I would say it's kind of like a blanket style, but it's something to cover your bed, and it's very soft, and I think it's really nice and light for summer and fall. For some reason nowadays I really don't like duvet. I think they're really heavy and it's just like bulky, and I really don't like changing the duvet covers. It's just such a lot of work. So I love coverlet or blankets or things like that. Next I will show you what we got from Gucci. This trip my husband actually scored more than me. I tried on a bunch of stuff at Gucci, but I really was disciplined. I want to get one piece from Woodbury that I love, so I was really waiting to go to Prada. Even though I did like a few pieces from Gucci, I held off and didn't get them. But my husband got something from Gucci. Such a great deal. Comes like this with the Gucci stickers. It's basically a dress shirt in this peach kind of salmon color. So it's just like a regular men's dress shirt. It doesn't really have any like embellishment or anything, but the best part of it is that it was $65. So they were literally just giving it away. I think it was like 90% off. So then he had to get it. I think it's a nice color. So the first store that we went into was actually Balenciaga right away, and I saw this beautiful piece that I think would perfect for him, and I wanted him to try it on, and of course it fits him perfectly, so we're really happy about that. It comes in this huge bag. I don't know how I can show you. They gave us a dust bag. If you've seen the vlog footage, you know this one. Of course, we had to get it. It was such a beautiful, beautiful coat. I can't show you the whole thing, but you can see from the footage. It's such a beautiful navy wool coat in Balenciaga for 80% off its retail price. And he really needed like a new winter coat, and it was just perfect. We couldn't pass it up, even though it was our first store, and we were like, you know what, maybe we should like hold off and then look at other stores and see if they have, you know, better deals or better style of coats. But unfortunately, because it was Labor Day weekend, they did not want to hold any pieces. So, and it was the last piece, of course. So we're like, you know what, I don't think we can find a better deal than that. So we just pulled the trigger, and we were right. When we went to other stores, it was not that great. You know, the coats were still like 2,000, 3,000 kind of prices. This is like such a great deal. I mean, it's just so beautiful, and the fact that it's so from Balenciaga but yet so classic. The piece, it's so soft, and it's going to be perfect for winter for him. Okay, last but not least, we have something from Prada. I've always wanted like Prada dress or Prada coat, and I always go to Prada every time I go to Woodbury, but every time it's either like they're still so expensive or there's no sizing. And finally I found the dress that I've been wanting for forever, but the last time they had it over there, they didn't have my size. So it also comes with the dust bag. And this is the dress that I got. It's the iconic banana and dahlia dress. So it has two iconic prints on the dress. So on the bottom is the iconic banana print. If you know Prada, you know this print. I've been wanting to have something in this print for forever. On the top is also another iconic print, which is the dahlia. So it's kind of like a two-in-one. Love it. And they finally have my size. And it was extra 20% off because of the Labor Day weekend. So happy to finally have her in my collection. This is my one and done. I went to Woodbury and I got the one piece that I wanted. That is all my haul for today. It's not a lot of pieces in terms of quantity, but I'm really focusing more on quality now and getting pieces that I really want, or it's been on my list for forever. So I'm happy with what we got. And since we live here, we're gonna always go to Woodbury anytime we want to. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.